What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Yeah, we're going on a road trip with BB. This dude right here and this dude guy in the front. We're gonna camp outside, right? Right, Yusuf?
Now we go look for a single mama, dude.
He said he's gonna go look for a single mama.
Hit me up.
Put your phone number right here. Come on.
Follow me on Instagram, aka Pussy Destroyer. Dick sucker.
That's you. But yeah, anyway, it's gonna be good. Today's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So we got 3 days total. Let's go to the soft flat. The water is not even cold. Yo, let's go. Yo, let's go. Yo, we're gonna have to take our shoes off though. Yo, this is my first time in Salt Flat. Oh, look at it, look at it. Yo. So it seems like there's no more water, so now I can put my shoes back on. Like I said, this is my first time in Salt Flats. It looks amazing, just like in the video. It's really huge. Damn, and it's all soft. And look at that car right there in the back, it's drifting. Yeah. Just look at that mountain right there. All the way there. 3, 2. I don't think I can make it all the way to the mountain. It's way too far. I think I'm gonna start heading back. Good morning, guys. So this is where we slept last night, right here. 5 of us inside one SUV. They do fit perfectly though. We did that last time too in San Diego rest area. Check out these views. But still snows everywhere. It's freezing. And now today we're gonna start driving down to the South Utah. Go to the national park. This is amazing, bro. This is amazing, boy! Woo! So glad that we didn't sleep outside last night because it would be so cold. Is that your morning breakfast?
Yes, mate.
Yeah, how was your sleeping last night, mate?
Good.
All right, boy. What about you, Yusuf? Why you still with my blanket, boy?
Like shit, man.
What about you, boy?
It's freezing out here, bro.
Yeah, it is.
Why you snore all night, dude?
Bro,
The fuck?
so glad that we didn't camp outside last night, bro, because we will be freezing.
It's Willu, man.
Yeah.
This guy, dude.
No, it was Willu.
This guy too, but Willu.
Really? This ass snores really loud, but that's wrong. They're nah. Come on, go. This dude right here, he didn't even bring any jacket. What the hell? Welcome back again. Now we are, I don't even know where we are. I think that we're going to the let me check, where are we? We are going to Arches National Park, but we just make a reservation, which is gonna be 2 p.m. and right now it's only 1:15, so we got like 45 more minutes left. So during that 45 minutes we just exploring this area right here. These rocks are all red and it looks amazing. This is really close to Colorado, I believe. We're still in Utah. I want to climb this bridge right here. See that bridge right there? I want to climb on top of it. Oh shit, look at the shot. The shot looks amazing. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. This river is dirty. Muddy as hell. But yeah, before we go back, I'm gonna run on top of the bridge across all the way. Started from back there and all the way to here. But they said we're not allowed to climb, but I'm gonna do it really fast. Damn, dude, what kind of rock is this, man? What kind of stone is this? Boy. Look. It said no slack, landing or climbing on bridge. Yeah, I'm not gonna slack, but I'm gonna climb. Okay. Seems like there's no security guard. Look at that rock. Look at it. Can you see that rock behind me? It's freaking amazing. Yo. Oh, damn. That's crazy. Damn. This is the longest selfie stick I ever had. God bless America. America can build that. Hello? Use protection, man. You say you want water? Straight over the sheet. No, someone can actually go in there. Hello. What is up, guys? What are you guys doing right here? What are you guys doing right here? Yo. Chilling, bro. Oh, hell no. For me, I got a lot of job. I got this camera, and I got my phone, and I got this GoPro right here. So I have to film like all three. One by one by one. I don't really have time to enjoy it at all, pretty much. Dropping out of school with 26. Look how many men get in there. School. That's some weak man right there. Who cut this man? Logging everything. Upload that shit.
Don't post this online, please.
This is the best selfie stick. What are you doing?
Are you trained? Verbal give you wing.
Oh, my arms are getting tired.
Oh yeah. Well, don't do that, man.
Now this is a lot better. I just went back to the car, get my backpack, take all my stuff out, and put all my camera gear in it. And now all I got is just this bag. It's a lot easier. A little bit heavy on the back, but like I said, it's a lot easier. Damn. Nobody. Just me. Yep, this is the arch. We made it to the arch. What? Is that you call it? The arch, right? Really? Is it a different one? The water is not even cold, you know?
It is cold, bro.
It's not bad. Woo. Bro. Oh. Woo. That is cool. Hey, do something. Hey, do something. This is amazing. I like this. Day 2 is over. Tomorrow will be day 3. But damn, the sun is about to set. Welcome to day 3. We are in the middle of nowhere. We got here last night around 11 p.m. We just park right here and just sleep. The other three sleep outside. Me and Sarah, we slept in the car. National Park. Look at this model guy. Look at this model guy. He looks like a math teacher in the same time. Yeah? We're gonna move on to next spot. I think we're gonna drive up there. Somewhere up there. Or maybe the other side. I'm not sure. Yusuf, do you know? Up there. Yo, you need to get out. Let me go in first. Damn. This views right here. It's unbelievable. It's just amazing. It looks better than on the screen, you know? This place in Zhao National Park, you see a lot of Asian people, a lot of Chinese people. That's crazy. It's getting annoying. It is what it is, I guess. Let's go over there.
We got at the fucking.
This only no private vehicle.
Let's take the shuttles, man.
We're here.
Let's take a shuttle.
This is the east entrance. I don't even know what they're talking about.
How much is the shuttle?
They're looking at the map, where to go, what to do. Now they're arguing each other.
Yeah, bro. Oh my god, dude. We probably just have to ride like one of the shuttles.
So where are we going home?
Let's go. Yeah, let's just take one of the buses.
Thank you. Whew. It's hot, around 80 degrees. We are in Arizona, our final spot. This is what it looks like in the pictures. Let's go see it in real life, if it looked the same. A bunch of tourists, especially a bunch of fellow Asians. Alright, even this guy too, he's Asian. Even this guy too, he's Asian. Even this Iraqi too, he's Asian. Everywhere you go, you're gonna see Asians right here. Looks amazing. Damn.
So green with the glasses.
Just like in the picture. It looks amazing. Come on, you say you got, just go stand there, bro. Just a little bit. You got you, bro.
It makes me dizzy, bro.
Because you're scared. That's why everybody say that.